My name is Barbara Thomason, Putaki Timi Te Waka, ko Ngāti Haua te iwi. I started my Masters in 2015 at Mātauranga Māori at Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi, completing this in 2018. The benefits have been absolutely wonderful. My kaupapa was Te Ahi Kāroa. My children are now talking about succession plan, about maintaining our whenua, being kaitiaki, and my wider family. We're planting trees, we're looking after the land and talking as family about future aspirations. Ko whakapakari ahau I te reo Māori because I worked in immersion classes, and I have gained greater knowledge of te ao Māori, the hōhonutanga of our old people. Within the wānanga, when there were challenges or something that you didn't understand, there were always staff that were very supportive in helping me to solve those challenges. And producing some good outcomes.